In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot's meeting scheduler, the best tool for simplifying and managing your meeting appointments seamlessly. Whether you're a business professional, team leader, or someone just looking to better organize their schedule, HubSpot's meeting scheduler is a must-have tool that can make your life a whole lot easier. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to go to the HubSpot homepage. This is where all the magic begins. If you haven't bookmarked it yet, simply open your favorite web browser and type in hubspot.com. Once you arrive at the homepage, you'll see a welcoming and user-friendly interface that makes navigation a breeze. Next, you'll want to locate and click on the Login button. It's usually situated at the top right corner of the homepage. By clicking Login, you'll be able to access your personalized HubSpot account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll probably want to take a moment to sign up. Trust me, it's a quick and straightforward process that doesn't require much more than your basic information. Once you're logged in, you'll be redirected to the HubSpot home. This is your main control panel where all the features and tools become accessible to you. From here, navigate through the menu until you find the section labeled Trial Guide. This is typically for users who are exploring HubSpot's full potential during a trial period, but it can be handy for anyone wanting to fully utilize the suite of HubSpot tools. Now that you're on the trial guide page, there's an option to click on Library. This serves as a collection of resources that HubSpot provides to optimize your experience and, importantly, where you can find the meeting scheduler. As you click through, you'll notice the interface is intentionally designed to be simple, guiding you effortlessly to what you're looking for. Moving ahead, you'll see the option labeled Meetings Scheduler. Click on this to open the Meetings Scheduler tool. This tool is pivotal as it allows you to set up meetings with just a few clicks, syncing with your calendar, and ensuring there are no scheduling conflicts. Finally, you'll want to click on Create Scheduling Page. This feature lets you design a personalized scheduling page. It provides a clean professional presentation for anyone you share it with, making appointment setting not only efficient but also impressive to your clients or colleagues. And there you have it. With just these simple steps, you can master HubSpot's meeting scheduler. Remember, this tool is all about making your scheduling seamless and improving your workflow, so take the time to explore all its features. Thanks for joining me in today's tutorial, and I wish you the best in organizing your meetings effectively.